Welcome in my video. In this video, we will discuss about the add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. This topic is related to the chapter fraction of the mathematics of class 6. In this topic, we are going to study about the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. First, we add the fractions with unlike denominators, or we can say that we are going to add the unlike fractions. Before addition of the unlike fractions, we have to review some point. Denominator, the number at the bottom of the fraction, this number name, that the total number of parts that equals to whole. Second point, unlike denominators, this means that the denominators are different. For example, look at the fractions below, 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. We are seeing here that in these fractions the denominators are 4 and 6. They are unlike, they are different. So these fractions have the different denominators. These are called the unlike denominators, or we can say that these fractions are unlike fractions. Now we start to add the fractions with unlike denominators. Take a problem in which we are adding 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. Here the fraction 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6, these are unlike fractions. So to add the unlike fractions, we have to follow the some steps. First step, you must find the equivalent fraction with the common denominator of each fraction. What you have to do? You have to find the equivalent fraction of each fractions with the common denominator. It means you have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 and equivalent fraction of 1 upon 6 in which the denominators are common. How we will do this? The next step, to find the common denominator of both fractions, we have find the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. How we can find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 and the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 6 in which they are equal in common denominator. They have common denominator. To find it, you have to find the LCM, lowest common multiple of the denominators. Here the denominator are 4 and 6. So you find the LCM of 4 and 6. Here the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, as I already write here. But you can find LCM 4 and 6 by the factorization method or another method. So now what we have to do? This LCM will divide by the denominator of the given fraction. Here the denominator is 4, so you have to multiply the LCM by 4. The quotient will be 3. Now the given numerator of given fraction and denominator of given fraction multiply by with the same number 3. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by the same number, it means the numerator multiplied by the 3 and denominator multiplied by 3. We are getting a fraction 9 upon 12. Similarly, in 1 upon 6, 12 is dividing by the denominator of the second fraction. Percent will be 2. So the numerator and denominator of this fraction is multiplied by the same number 2. So we are getting a fraction 2 upon 12. In this way, 9 upon 12 and 2 upon 12, these two fractions have become like fractions. Now it is easy to add because they have been converted into like fraction. So how we add? To add these fraction 9 upon 12 and 2 upon 12, we directly add the numerators, and after adding the numerator we will get a sum. This sum becomes the numerator in your answer. The sum of 9 and 2, 11. So the 11 will be the numerator of your answer. But what about the denominator? Keep the same denominator. Denominator will be the same. That is in the equivalent form of the problem. It means in that form in which they have common denominator. So in this way 11 upon 12 is the sum of 9 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. So this 11 upon 12 will be the answer of your problem, that is the sum of 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. Now we will take next step, simplify. Here the answer is 11 upon 12. You have to check that it is in simplest form or not. If it is in simplest form, then leave it and it will be your answer. If it is not in the simplest form, then you have to follow one step more. You have to find the SCF of numerator and denominator, and by that SCF you have to divide numerator and denominator. Then you can find the simplest form of the result. But here the SCF is 1, so it is in already simplest form. Now we are taking another problem. In this problem we will add fraction 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. Similarly, these are unlike fractions, so we will follow the step. You must find the equivalent fraction with the common denominator. You have to make them in like fractions. To make in the like fractions, you have to take the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction. The denominator of the given fractions are 7 and 3, so the LCM will be 21. Now to make the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 7, we will multiply by the number 3 with the denominator. We will multiply the denominator, we will multiply the numerator by 3 and multiply the denominator by 3. In this way, this 9 upon 21 will be the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 7. Similarly, here we will divide the LCM by the 3, the answer will be 7, and we will multiply numerator by the 7 and the denominator by the 7. So both numerator and denominator is being multiplied by a number 7. In this way, the numerator will be 14 and denominator will be 21. Now in this step, the fractions, both fractions have been changed into like fractions. It means the fraction with the common denominator. Now we will add the numerators and get a sum, and this sum will be the numerator in your answer. 9 plus 14 is equal to 23. This 23 will be the numerator in your answer. What will be the denominator? Keep the same denominator that is in problem. So the 9 upon 21 plus 14 upon 21 is equal to 23 upon 21. So this 23 upon 21 is the sum of the given problem. If this sum is not in the simplest form, then you have to simplify it. This fraction is not in the simplest form. Why? Because it is the improper fraction. Now this improper fraction can be changed into mixed fraction by dividing numerator by denominator. Here the numerator 23 and denominator 21. So we will divide the 23 by 21. We will get 23 divided by 21. We will get 1% and remainder 2 divided 23. So 1 whole 2 upon 21. This form will be the answer of your problem. Now we will take another example. In this example, we will add 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 2. Same. In first step, you must find the equivalent fraction with the common denominator. You have to make these fractions in like fractions. How? By multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. But what will be that same number? To find that same number, you have to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of denominators is 18. So now you have to divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Percent will be 2. You have to multiply numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. In this way, there will be a fraction 8 upon 18. Similarly, in fraction 5 upon 2, LCM is divided by 2, percent will be 9. The numerator and denominator of this fraction multiply by the same number 9. In this way, we are getting a fraction 45 upon 18. Now these fractions became like fractions. So we will add them directly. Next step, add the numerator. This sum becomes the numerator in your answer. Add them. 8 plus 45, 53 upon 53. This will be the numerator in your answer. What about the denominator? Keep the same denominator that is the given in problem in equivalent form. So the sum of 8 upon 18 plus 45 upon 18 will be 53 upon 18. As 53 upon 18 is not a proper fraction, not in the simplest form, so we have to check that which type of this fraction. This is the improper fraction. We can reduce it. We can write it in mixed fraction. To simplify, reduce the lowest term, your answer. In this case, you will need to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number, a mixed fraction, and then simplify the fraction. Here we are dividing 53 by 18. There will be the percent 2 and remainder 17. So in this way, this fraction written as 2 whole 17 upon 18 in the form of mixed fraction. This is the answer of your given problem. Now we will subtract the fraction with the unlike denominators. In the same manner as we follow the steps in the addition of fraction with the like denominator, the procedure is same here. All the steps will be same here, but instead of adding we will subtract here. So how? To do this, we take a problem. We have to subtract 3 upon 4. Sorry, we have to subtract 1 upon 6 from 3 upon 4. We have to subtract 1 upon 6 from 3 upon 4. Step first, same as addition, we have find equivalent fraction with the common denominator. Here the fraction are like fraction, so we have to find the equivalent fraction of this and equivalent of fraction, this fraction 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 with the common denominator. How? To find the equivalent fractions in which the denominator are same, we will take the LCM of the denominator of the given fractions. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we are going to divide this LCM by the denominator of fraction 3 by 4. Percent will be 3. We will multiply the numerator and denominator of the 3 by 4 by the number 3. In this way, we are getting a fraction 9 upon 12. Similarly, to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 6, we will divide the LCM 12 by the 6. Percent will be 2. We will multiply numerator and denominator of 1 by 6 by the number 2. In this way, we are getting a fraction 2 upon 12. In this step, these fractions are the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. So now we can subtract these fractions. So now these fractions have become like fractions. So now we subtract them. Subtract the numerators and the difference become the numerator in your answer. Now we will subtract the numerator. Subtract 9 and 2. 9 minus 2 . Subtract 2 from 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. The 7 will be the numerator of resulting fraction. What about the denominator of resulting fraction? Denominator will keep same. Keep the same denominator, that is in problem. In this way, we are getting here 7 upon 12 a fraction, which is the difference of the fraction 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. This is your answer. If this answer is not in the simplest form, then you have to follow some more steps. Here the answer is 7 upon 12. Remember that in order to find the simplest form, you must find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Here the highest common factor is 1. So this is this fraction 7 upon 12 in its simplest form. This will be your answer. Now we will take the practice. Here it is a problem. Do yourself. And some more problem you have to do it also. And you can make the practice for some more questions from your textbook. again and again. Thank you.